Hi everyone, good evening. Happy Wednesday sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa Liluna Tarot again. This is Maria, your intuitive tarot reader. So welcome. Sa mga bago pa lang po sa channel natin, welcome sa inyong lahat. And para sa mga naka-subscribe na sa channel natin, welcome back. So I hope you are doing good and great today. So kamusta kayo guys? Maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na nanonood ng upload ni Leluna. I really appreciate yung mga nagko-comment po. So maraming salamat. Again, para po dun sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, meron po tayong link sa ating description box kung saan po kayo magsisend or visit nyo lang yung ating channel. Meron pong details doon kung saan po kayo magre-request for personal reading. And pwede rin pong magpa-member if you want sa ating channel. Just visit yung ating homepage and meron po doon yung join button. Okay? So, meron kayong chance na magbigay ng topic para sa ating pick a card and collective reading. And then, yun ang gagawin nating upload sa ating next na gagawing video. Okay? And then, meron din kayong follow-up questions na pwedeng isend sa ating comment box doon sa specific video na ni-request ninyo. If ever na may tanong kayo. So, babasahin po yun. Okay? So, before anything else, please consider subscribing po sa channel natin para mas lalo pa po nating mapalaki yung ating community. Okay? For tonight, so we are going to do a version 2 of this reading. So since malapit na yung Mercury retrograde or yung retrograde, so we are going to view or titingnan natin yung past energy. So this is version 2 kasi meron tayong version 1, so you should visit yung ating channel. Nandoon po sa 4 months ago or 6 months ago yung version 1 natin na naka-move on na ba si X. So this is our version 2. So titingnan natin kung naka-move on na ba si X, ano yung nararamdaman niya ngayon, or may gusto ba siyang sabihin sa'yo. Okay? So, sa harapan ninyo, meron tayong dalawang pile. This is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. So, again, kung matagal na kayo sa channel ni Leluna, alam nyo na kung ano yung gagawin. Meditate on your card. I will give you seconds para resonate sa inyo yung pile na mapipili ninyo, okay? So, pili na kayo ng pile. And then, in a minute, magi-start na tayo. So, kamusta na ba si X? Naka-move on na ba siya? So, pile number 1 and pile number 2. So, choose your pile now. Okay, kung nakapili na kayo ng pile, we're going to start sa ating pile number 1. So, itatabi lang natin itong ating pangalawang card. So, pile number 1, kung ito yung pile na napili mo, so this is your reading. Tingnan natin kung move on na ba si X, kamusta na siya, ano yung message niya sa'yo. Okay, so disclaimer lang again guys. So take what's resonate and leave the rest. Kung hindi mag-resonate sa inyo yung reading, ayos lang. So you're welcome to choose other pile, which is pile number 2. Okay, baka kasi may message doon sa inyo. So wag ipilit kahit kung hindi man mag-resonate yung zodiac sign. Kasi marami pong nanonood, so po pwedeng iba-iba yung scenario na makukuha natin. So mahalagang take what's resonate. Okay? Huwag dadamdamin yung makukuha nating reading sa pile na napili mo. Okay, so pile number 1, kung ito yung napili mo, titingnan natin, move on na ba si X? Okay? Deeply. Wow. So, ang sabi dito, look deeply within to discover your soul purpose in your relationship. So, look deeply within. So, This is very deep reading to for pile number 1. Pwedeng this person is nagmumuni-muni to, ina-isolate, kahit wala dito yung hermit tarot o yung hermit card. Meron ako nakikita dito na this person is isolating himself or herself kasi po pwedeng if meron siyang toxic patterns or meron siyang issues or trauma within the relationship or sa mga nakakarelasyon niya, this person is thinking or alam mo yon yung parang tinitingnan yung sarili niya kung ano ba yung pagkukulang niya, kung ano yung kailangan niyang baguhin sa sarili niya. Kasi po pwedeng pwedeng siguro nung may connection pa kayo nitong person na to, meron akong nakikita na parang lost siya. Kahit anong relationship yung mapuntahan niya, hindi niya nakukuha yung fulfillment na hinahanap niya. Pwedeng this person is seeking the one or seeking yung talagang soulmate niya. Yan pa pwedeng if this person is tingin niya ikaw yung soulmate niya, again, literally, this is an ex, this person is asking kung ikaw ba talaga yung right person kasi po pwedeng this is a spiritual person and may mga nakukuha siyang signs. Naririnig niya siguro yung pangalan mo somewhere. Okay. So, let's see. Itong ex on your mind. This person, wow. Love. Unconditional love, self-love, and wholeness. Affection and attraction, selflessness. Wow. So, initially, this person is sobrang magmahal. Siguro, ayaw niyang ma-fall ng sobra sa isang connection or sa person na hindi naman pala yun yung parang makakatuluyan niya or hindi naman pala yun yung person para sa kanya. Kasi siguro, gusto nito kapag kung mamahal siya ulit is yung si the one na. Kaya this person po pwedeng meditating, looking into his or herself kung ito na ba yung para sa kanya, ikaw na ba yung para sa kanya, okay? And po pwedeng this person is asking himself or herself, bakit kanya nakilala? Love card is here, so pwede sigurong nasa self-love journey pa rin muna tong person na to. Yes. Pwedeng this person is working on herself or himself. If ever na may trauma siya, may abandonment issue siya, may trauma siya, siguro inaayos mo na ni person or ni ex mo yung sarili niya before coming po pwedeng if this person wants to contact you or bumalik sa'yo. So, let's see. Malalaman natin yan. If this person wants to reconcile sa inyo. Number 1. This person is spiritual. Spiritual to. And very deep. Can be a Scorpio. This person is very deep. Deep magmahal. Deep mag-isip. Yes. So, pwedeng you still love this person also and you still thinking dito sa person na to, iniisip mo siya. So, let's see. Naka-move on na ba ang ex ni file number 1? Wow. Lies, keeping secrets. Yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, na po pwedeng this person is sobra-sobra magmahal. Kaya, hinohold niya yung sarili niya. For example, this is your ex, this person is not showing na sobra-sobra kanyang mahal, pero deep inside, unconditional love yung kaya niyang ibigay. Siguro, ano yun, hindi niya sinasabi sa'yo yung, kaya yun ang nararamdaman mo siguro, and pwedeng yun ang reason ng breakup ninyo. Kasi someone is not telling truth, or someone is hindi totoo sa sarili, na parang parang ang nangyayari kasi, parang facade. Someone is wearing a mask in a relationship and hindi nagiging totoo sa sarili. Kung pwedeng ikaw to na deep na person, wow. Text message, unsent messages. Uy, this person wants to contact you, wants to send messages sa'yo. Pero, hindi siya magkaroon ng lakas ng loob to contact you. Pwedeng may nagawa to sa'yo na hindi maganda, or pwedeng meron siyang itinago sa'yo. Okay? Meron siyang inilihim sa'yo. File number 1. Let's see. Deleting text messages. Oh, the snake. Competition and energy. The other woman, look over your shoulder. Oy. So, pwedeng this person cheated on you. Meron tong hindi sinabi sa'yo, hindi naging totoo. Kasi lies keeping secret. Picture. Looking at pictures, missing you, nostalgia, make new memories. Wow. Honesty. Wow. Lies, keeping secret, and honesty, truth. Siguro, ikaw yung nakipag-break. Silence, no contact. Siguro ikaw nakipag-break kasi you feel that this person is wearing a mask or not being truthful sa relationship ninyo. And pwedeng ikaw yung sobra-sobra kong magmahal. Yes. Pwedeng ikaw rin yung nag-isolate ng sarili mo, thinking deeply within yourself, or siguro pinursu mo yung spirituality. Yes, kasi para hanapin yung sarili mo, and siguro nakatulong yon para magkaroon ka ng self-love sa sarili mo. This person is natukso with a snake card here. This person is reminiscing. Diba? You go silent. Anong sabi ko kanina, diba? Isolating yourself, lumayo, no contact. So for now, you have no contact with this person. hindi mo kinakausap tong person na to. This person wants to send a message sa'yo, pero wala siyang lakas na i-approach ka. Magko-compose siya ng message, then i-delete niya. Parang ganon. Nahihiya siya siguro kasi doon sa nangyari between the two of you. Okay, let's get one card. Wow, I cannot. Must. Keeping secrets, di ba? Then, look at this one. Pile number 1. Must. Not showing true self. Di ba? Sabi ko, di ba, this person is merong itinago sa'yo po pwedeng wearing a mask on the relationship. Ikaw ang spiritual, so take what's resonate. Ikaw ang spiritual and you feel na may something is off. Yes, something is off sa ex na ito. Merong hindi sinasabi. Merong hino-hold back. O pwedeng nag-cheat to sa'yo and then hindi mo alam. Pero alam mo, kahit na hindi niya sabihin sa'yo kasi you're very spiritual. And po pwedeng, this is a toxic person and you are asking yourself, bakit ka nakaka-attract ng mga ganitong klaseng relationship? Parang ganon. Well, ang nakuha ko agad na answer is, because may makukuha kang aral dito, pile number 1. Dun sa connection mo dito sa person na to. Siguro this person, o yung connection mo dito sa person na to will teach you to follow your intuition, to believe in your intuition, okay? To find yourself, para makita mo yung talagang purpose mo. So, yun yung nakikita ko. And still, if you are asking, bakit nakilala mo tong person na to? Bakit you are attracting this kind of person? Since this is an ex, so, nakuha mo na yung sagot, di ba? Na-awaken ka because of this person, if you are spiritual. Okay, so, vice versa guys, yung sinasabi ko ha, kasi po pwedeng, ikaw yung nare-read, and po pwedeng yung person. So, let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng other cards. This person still reminiscing and looking sa mga pictures ninyo, and po pwedeng yung third party. If this person puts you in a third party, know na itong person na to is iniisip ka pa din. And parang nag-aabang lang o naghihintay lang ng tamang pagkakataon to talk to you. Not showing true self. Meron ako nakuha na you is may pagka ano ka. You're a good person. Hindi ko masasabing naive kasi you always give benefit of the doubt. So meron akong nakuha gano'n. You always give benefit of the doubt. Pinagkatiwalaan mo kasi itong person na to eh. Okay? Rejection, lost, fragmented. Okay, for some of you, maybe you feel rejected dito sa person na to. Kasi siguro if this person cheated on you, puts you in a third party, or ginawa kang option nito, so pwede sigurong dumaan ka sa confusion within yourself. Kaya ang sabi dito, look deeply within yourself to discover your soul purpose. Storm, di ba? unexpected. Siguro, you're not expecting that this person will cheat on you. And if hindi mo pa ginagawa yung soul searching, um, this is the right time to have a soul search. Kasi pagka may retrograde guys, yung mga walang closure or mga issue na hindi pa nare-resolve within ourselves is babalik ulit yun into surface. Okay? Para malaman mo yung lesson. Okay. Ganun kasi siya. So, na-awaken ka, naging spiritual ka because of this person. Forming structure and solid foundation. So, ayun nga, sabi ko nga, you need to be sure sa sarili ninyo. Okay? You need to have a structure sa sarili ninyo. Kasi, po pwedeng may codependent issue ka din. If you're the one who is feeling rejected or lost dito sa relationship na to within your ex. Kasi nga, niloko ka. Okay? You need to meditate. Look deep into yourself. Kasi wala akong nakikita dito. You need to have a solid foundation within yourself. And po pwede sigurong itong relationship mo dito sa person na to is not solid. At relationship mo within yourself. Yung mismo sa sarili mo. Kasi mamaya, wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo. You don't trust your intuition. O, di ba? Kakasabi ko lang. Confusion. Kakasabi ko lang guys, confusion. Illusions. Di ba? You're the one questioning yourself. Dito sa relationship na ito, kasi pwede siguro, sobra-sobra ka magmahalan, pwedeng sobra ka nasaktan doon sa ginawa ng person na yon. Yun nga yung naging reason kaya ka na awaken sa spirituality. You should trust your intuition. You're very intuitive. If you are a water sign, yes. Hindi mo sabi nila, meron akong narinig kapag pinakita ng person kung ano ka para sa kanya, paniwalaan mo yun kasi yun yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Kahit hindi niya sabihin. Okay? So, if this person cheated on you, ibig sabihin, hindi ka niya mahal. Wow. Ten of Swords. Diba? O pwedeng you still healing. Ace of Wands. You need to take action. You need to heal. You need to dive deeper sa sarili mo. Bakit ka nakakaramdam ng rejection? Bakit hindi mo fina-follow yung intuition mo? Bakit you are having a confusion or self-doubt? You're feeling betrayed. Siguro nagkaroon ka ng trust issues na kasi nga ganun yung ginawa sa'yo ng person na to. Itong ex na to. This person is naaalala ka. Page of Wands. This person wants to take action. Wants to approach you. O, diba? Kakasabi ko lang. Knight of Swords. Diba? Wants to rush towards you, wants to communicate, wants to talk to you. Siguro kala niya you are still naive or gusto niya magpaliwanag dun sa nangyari. Kung bakit may ending sa inyong dalawa, bakit nag-cheat siya, bakit hindi siya naging truthful, hindi siya naging totoo. Meron akong nakuha, karamihan sa mga pumili ng pile number 1 is ayaw ng sinungaling. Kasi you're very intuitive. You know the answers. Six of Wands. Three of Wands. Wow. Waiting. Pwede siguro ang ikaw pile number 1 still waiting. Or could be this person is still waiting. Bottom of the deck is Ace of Cups. Okay. Meron akong nakukuha na for some of you, gusto niyo lang malaman yung totoo dito sa person na to. Na siya mismo yung magsasabi ng totoo. Yun lang. And then, after that, okay na kayo. Parang ganon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit meron akong sobrang confusion na nakikita dito eh. Pwede this person is popular with the Six of Wands. Kilala. Some kind of popularity can be merong may sinabi sa community. You're still healing. Be careful lang kasi meron akong for some of you na hindi mag-resonate dito. This person, if there is still an ongoing argument between the two of you, pwedeng this person will communicate yung makipag-usap sa inyo. Will communicate what happened. Pero alam nyo guys, kahit wala ditong walang King of Cups in reverse dito, meron ako ditong naramdaman na may some kind of manipulation kasi na nangyari. Or feeling mo, pile number 1, parang na-manipulate ka. Itong person na to. Let's see, what's with the Ace of Wands? Wow. O, diba? Knight of Cups. You still love this person. Pile number 1. You still love this person. Yung iba sa inyo trigger warning, still waiting dito sa person na to. And pwedeng hindi mo malaman sa sarili mo bakit hindi mo pa rin nakalimutan tong person na to. Bakit, ano bang purpose itong person na to sa life mo? And you are still wondering pwedeng baka soulmate mo siya or baka siya talaga yung para sa'yo. What's with the Six of Wands? Let's see. Ano meron sa ating Six of Wands? Tingnan natin No communication to No contact. Meron ditong biglang nag-silent. Sinilent treatment yung other person. What's with the Wow. The Empress. Pwedeng this person wants to go towards you to ask for reconciliation or second chance. Yung iba sa inyo. You are the Empress. Can be Taurus. You're very beautiful, very nurturing kind of a person. Hayaan mo na. Sorry guys. Hayaan mo tong person na to ang pumunta sa'yo. Lumapit sa'yo. Huwag ikaw ang unang may kipag-communicate. Wow. I cannot. High Priestess. You're very intuitive. Ooh, for some of you, this person, if you're the Empress here, or this person go towards the Empress. And alam mo sa sarili mo yon. Kasi somehow meron tingling sensation ka na alam mo na kung ano yung totoo Gusto mo lang sigurong marinig sa kanya. Or pa pwedeng same energy mo to. You are the Empress and you are the High Priestess. You're very intuitive person. You know na soon this person will approach you, will communicate the truth sa inyo. May gustong sabihin. Hayaan nyo na yung person na ito ang lumapit sa inyo. Huwag kayo yung una may kipag-communicate. Okay? And pa pwedeng this person offer his cup sa other woman. Nasaktan ka doon dahil doon sa ginawa niya. Okay, so let's pull messages nitong person na to. So, kasi, marami kasi akong energy na nakikita and nakukuha, guys. Kasi, hindi na naman isa ang nanonood dito sa reading natin. Sa inyo still waiting. Naghihintay itong person na to na pwedeng itong person na to yung naghihintay o ikaw pile number 1 ang naghihintay dito sa person na to na makipag-communicate sa'yo. Yes. O pwedeng ikaw yung naghihintay Kasi sinilent treatment ka nitong person na to. Tingnan nga natin kung anong gusto niyang sabihin. Oh, I imagine you naked pero in reverse siya. Number 8 could be significant sa inyo, guys. Wow. You are so beautiful, why do you need me? So, this person know na alam niya na hindi mo siya kailangan. Kasi po, if you are the empress and you are the high priestess, you can be popular, you can be a content creator, a model, okay? You can get what you want. Do you even see me that way? Wow. Yung sinabi ko kanina na wearing a mask, not telling the truth, ang tanong ng person, do you even see me that way? Yung sinungaling, hindi sasabi ng totoo. Wow. For some of you, be careful, guys. Ha? If this person go sa way ninyo and offer you i-communication and emotion, okay. Kasi po pwedeng nag-focus ka sa sarili mo and you pursue spirituality. You enhance your spiritual gift. You know your worth. Po pwedeng meron ka ditong mga ginawa. Siguro nag-content creator ka. May ginawa ka online. And kaya siguro gusto nito mag-offer sa'yo ng emotion kasi nakita niya na you're doing great right now. Wow. Time to ground yourself. Ano sabi ko, diba? It's time to ground yourself. Solid ground diba? Yung kaninang card, solid ground. So, ibig sabihin, siguro before, hindi okay yung finances mo, hindi okay, unstable ka within yourself, sabi ko nga, diba? And siguro ngayon, you gain clarity, you know your worth, you have self-love sa sarili mo. Kaya, yun yung nakapagpa-attract dito sa person sa'yo. Okay, kaya na-attract siya ngayon sa'yo. This love scares me. Wow. For some of you, ang maraming issue dito yung guy. Pero kung nakuha yung guy, ang maraming issue dito sa sarili niya. You are perfect dito sa person na to. This person puts you in a pedestal. I never imagined so much perfection. Number 9, you can be a Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. I am manifesting you. This person still manifesting you. Manifesting a communication sa'yo. Kasi gusto niya mag-offer ng cup. Gusto niya magpaliwanag. Gusto niya mag-sorry. I think so, yes. And po, pwedeng meron akong nakuha na yung iba sa inyo, itong person na to, yung nag-dive deeper sa sarili niya. Bakit hindi kanya makalimutan? Bakit hindi ka maalis sa isip niya? This could be a player na in love. And bottom of the deck, I want a fresh start with you. 'Di ba? Anong sabi ko, 'di ba? This person wants to go towards you, offer cup, wants to try again, wants to apologize. Siguro ito yung epekto ng retrograde. So, expect a communication sa inyo, pile number 1, this retrograde. Okay. So, kuha tayo ng healing energy messages sa'yo, pile number 1, and then I will go to pile number 2 na. So, kung tatanungin nyo ako kung naka-move on na ang ex ng pile number 1, no, because this person wants to offer you again a communication, his cup of love or her cup of love. Kasi you are doing great right now, looking good. Self-love. Anong sabi ko? 'Di ba? You love yourself. I attend to my needs by listening to my heart. Ano sabi, 'di ba? Look within yourself. Dive deeply. My inner essence lets me know what is good for me. I respect my limits. I respect my limits. I answer the request of my body and my soul. Thus, I learn to love myself. I cannot. You learn to love yourself. You know your worth. Siguro, you accept the fact na ganun yung nangyari. Wala siyang narinig sa'yo kahit na ganun yung ginawa niya or kung ano man yung kasalanan na nagawa niya sa'yo. Tingnan nyo, I accept the fact. 'Di ba? And acceptance. 'Di ba? I accept every step that life presents me without resistance. I try to find out what the universe is trying to teach me so that I can grow. Thus, I advance in freedom on the path of light. Wow, very beautiful. You learn to accept yourself, you learn to accept your flaws, you learn to accept what's happened between the two of you. And this person is humanga sa'yo dahil doon. Kasi kahit ganun yung ginawa, alam mo pa pwedeng, ano eh, yung iba sa inyo ha, this person compares you to other person or yung kung sino man yung snake dito. And siguro na-realize niya ang laki nung pinagkaiba ninyong dalawa. Hmm. 'Di ba? So, pa number 1, nakamove on na ba si ex? Hindi pa po. This person is just waiting to approach you. And I don't think so na ano ha, yung iba sa inyo, o pwedeng ayaw nyo na dito sa person na to, o pwedeng you accept the fact na talagang hindi kayo para sa isa't isa. Pero this person, alam niyo na ngayon kung ano yung importansya mo. Siguro before you feel rejected dito sa person na to, kasi dun sa ginawa niya sa'yo. Pero masasabi ko lang, this person will communicate sa'yo sa retrograde. Okay? So, I hope pile number 1 nag-resonate sa inyo yung ating reading. If resonated sa inyo, please comment down below. I really appreciate yung mga napo-comment. Tutuwa po ako kapag nakikita ko nagko-comment kayo. Mas nalalaman kong effective yung ating reading kasi nakaka-resonate kayo. Okay? So, I will go to pile number 2 na. Hindi ko napapatagalan. Pile number 1. Maraming salamat! Pile number 2. If you just discard, so let's see kung naka-move on na ba yung ex ninyo sa inyo. Okay? So, kung ito yung napili mong pile, tested. Wow! Your strength and weakness are being tested. Wow. You are being tested over this situation. O pwedeng this person, titingnan niya kung i-open mo pa yung door sa kanya. With this retrograde, again guys, the universe will challenge you if nakahil ka na ba dito sa person na to or hindi pa. So let's see. Let's see para sa aking mga pumili ng pile number 2 kung naka-move on na ba yung ex nila sa kanila. This person will test you, ha. Wala akong pang nakikita kung test ka nitong person na to, pile number 2. Pwedeng alam nitong person na to yung kahinaan mo. Alam niya kung paano ka i-approach, alam niya kung paano kunin yung kiliti mo. So let's see. Tested. This person always love the thrill. Malakas ang kumpiyansa nito sa sarili nito. While this person is good looking. Let's see. Wow! Twin flames. Yin yang and balance, union and duality, completement, polar opposite. Wow. This could be your twin flame or a karmic soulmate. Polar opposite. Wow! Engagement ring, higher commitment, eternity, partnership, and union completion. This person will test. Pwedeng the universe will test you or this person will test you. If move on ka na ba dito sa person na to? Engagement ring. The butterfly. Evolving in growth. Next phase. Healing inner child. Releasing the past. Wow. Releasing the past. I have a goosebumps, guys. Para sa mga pumili ng pile number 2. So, ibig sabihin, if this is an ex, and kasi ang twin flame dynamic, guys, so ulitin ko ulit push and pull kasi yon. Alam nito kung paano hahatakin yung heartstring mo. Oo. Kaya napakahirap kumawala. So, pwedeng the universe will titingnan ng universe, will challenge you, will test you if you want this person. Pwedeng this person magpo-propose sa inyo. Or kung sino man yung ex ninyo na still lingering in your energy, pwedeng the universe will test you if heal ka na ba doon. in order for this twin flame na mag-enter sa life mo. And once na napagtagumpayan mo yung test na ibibigay sa'yo, soon, you will get a higher commitment. Nakuha nyo guys? A higher commitment na may equal give and take, na may growth. And look at this one. Abundance. Positive mindset, manifest, gratitude, and blessings. Diba? Once na mapagtagumpayan mo itong test na ibibigay sa'yo, competition. The other woman. Ba't ganon? Wow. Ang ating mga viewers ay hindi grounded. Grounding. Stability and security. Wow. You are being cheated on, pwedeng on the past. Same with pile number 1. And siguro yun yung reward doon sa nangyari sa'yo. From the past. So let's see. Wow. What's this one? Wow, dragonfly. Light-hearted and adapt, finding out and change things, coming to light and heal. Okay. So, pwedeng you will find out that the other person or this person is cheating on you. Pwedeng you already find out. This is a test only. Kung hanggang saan yung paniniwala mo, yung alam mo yon, yung tiwala mo. Ayan, tiwala mo sa divine, tiwala mo kay Lord. Kung hanggang saan yung strength mo. Okay? Social media, keeping tabs. Oh. There is someone keeping tabs on the other person. Pwedeng this third party is keeping tabs on you. Ah, I get it. If you are in a relationship na ngayon, and you are in a new phase na, pile number 1, the universe or this person will test you. Oo. Meron ako nakuha na yung iba sa inyo is in a relationship na. Yes. And this relationship is a higher commitment ito na alam mo yon na into marriage na. And pwedeng someone or this ex is keeping tabs on you. Wow. Ghosted, disappearing, or someone who ghosted you. Wow, I cannot. Shape shifter, mimicking. No, this is a karmic. Karmic twin. This is not your twin flame. Itong ex na ito. Siguro kala mo, this is a twin flame. No. Parating pa lang yung twin flame. Or kung meron kang in a relationship ka na ngayon, this relationship is your twin flame. And this is a higher commitment. Okay? Merong someone na keeping tabs on you who ghosted you. This person is a shapeshifter or mimicking a twin flame connection. Kaya meron ako nakikita dito na dito masusubukan yung strength mo and weakness. Pile number 2. Let's see. Pipigilan ka nito na mag-go sa next next phase or next stage with the butterfly Let's see. Wow. Anong sabi ko? Decision. Ini crossroad. Avoidance. Stalemate. Wow. Hindi mo to... Ano to? Challenge to, guys. File number 2. Kung may ex ka or someone ghosted you from the past, trash, discarding, throwing out. If there is a mga natirang feelings pa or emotion within yourself para dito sa person na to from the past, titingnan kung talagang you learned your lesson. Yes. This is someone who ghosted you or disappear. Wow. On the table, offer, proposal. Proposal, commitment. Guys on the table, proposal, commitment, and engagement ring. Whew. The energy is heavy, guys. Someone will test you. Kasi po pwede sigurong this person knows that you are going to a higher commitment. You are going to fly like a butterfly. Merong abundance dito na paparating sa'yo. And this person who is a shapeshifter, no. This can be a spiritual person kasi this is a shapeshifter. Ibig sabihin, may some kind of connection pa rin to. Or, sabihin natin aware. Aware pa din tong person na to. There is a decision here na gagawin. May pag-decision nga. Pwedeng between two person. Wow! 7 of Pentacles. Can be a co-worker. Oh my gosh. Pero ako nakita dito na someone know na you are ascending or you are going far in life with the abundance. Okay. And alam nitong person na to na you are in a higher commitment na right now. Okay. So, ngayong retrograde, kung kailangan mong itapon, i-discard, cut the cord dito sa person to, cutting cords. Kasi, this person will return. will test you. Okay? This is, ano lang eh, naghihintay lang tong person na to. File number 2. This person po pwedeng looks at you as investment. This person wants to invest. This person still keeping tabs on you. Oh my gosh. Wow, 9 of Cups. The Sun. Water sign, earth sign, fire sign. Hindi maganda yung energy na nararamdaman ko. This is heavy energy. Heavy siya, guys. You are happy right now. This person sees you as a 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment. Alam nitong person na to na you are going into different places. Higher places. Oh my gosh. Matandaan nyo guys ha, ang clue is ghosting. Ginost ka nitong person na to. Wow. Oh my gosh. 10 of Pentacles, 2 of Wands, Ace of Cups, 3 of Swords. This person gives you heartache, break your heart. Left you in the cold. Ghosted you. Oh my gosh. This person will return in the surface. Wow. 4 of Pentacles. Kasi nga, Pentacles ang tingin niya sa'yo. So, pwedeng you are going to have a proposal na, higher commitment to someone else, and this person wants to stop you with 4 of Pentacles. Want to stop you. This person, siguro sinasabi niya sa'yo na twin flame kayo. This is a karmic. O pwedeng basta-basta ka na lang itong binasura. Hindi pinahalagahan. Wow. Queen of Pentacles, very abundant. Can be an earth sign. Very abundant. Page of Cups, want to offer you a cup of love. Because you are happy right now. O pwedeng kinakarma na tong person na to with the Judgment card. And you are experiencing lots of blessings right now. Siguro yun yung yun yung balik doon sa ginawa niya sa'yo. If this person breaks your heart, if this person throw you out, Judgment Day, wow. This person will try to stop you. You're the Queen of Pentacles with the 9 of Cups. I cannot. This person will try to stop you for being happy, to have your full potential as a person. Ay. For some of you, itong energy nitong person na to is very heavy. Hindi ko talaga gusto yung energy niya, guys. I'm so sorry. Kasi, siya alam mo yun, wow. I need more time. Love is the answer. Wow, love is the answer. This person, alam niya kung paano hatakin yung string ng heart mo. By number 2. I am terrified. So, pwedeng siguro this person is terrified to know that you're going to engage to someone else. Wow. Ako sabi ko lang, I don't want to lose you. Huh? This person will try to stop you for moving on. Oh my God. I am coming. Ano sabi ko? I am coming, trust. Ang dami nga sabi nitong person to nang sumabog ang card. I will do anything for you. Yes. Words do hurt. Siguro sinabi mo dito sa person na to na ayaw mo na sa kanya. Wow. Bottom of the deck, have I lost everything? So, again guys, this person ghosted you ha. FYI. This person ghosted you. And po pwedeng hindi ka pinahalagahan, throws you like a trash, throwing you out. Ngayon, dahil alam niya na you are going into a higher commitment, soon, may proposal na, gusto ka niya ngayon pigilan. So toxic. Shapeshifter. This is a karmic soulmate. So, wow. Vitality. I am being of light. I accept the divine energy in my body, and every one of my cells regenerates. Wow. You're an empath, a light worker. Okay, that's why you attract toxic persons. Action. My divine action incites love and harmony. I am aware of my thoughts and driven by positive forces. I listen to my heart, my desire to manifest light. Transform test. My God, transform test into growth, challenge into opportunity, and fear into love. Wow. Congratulations, pile number 2 kasi pwedeng yung iba sa inyo is already win or already nalampasan na yung challenge. Okay? And para dun sa mga hindi pa, this person will resurface. Kasi this person knows that you are going into higher commitment na and wala na siyang way para mapigilan pa yon. That's why he will try his best para pigilan kung ano yung mga blessings and mga dapat mo pang ma-reach. Yun lang ang nakikita ko eh. This person will do anything for you now. Kasi nakita niya na you are Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. You are very abundant with the finances hero, with the blessings. Abundant in money. Di ba? You are a good manifestor. Yes. You can be an earth sign. Pile number 2. You are good at money. O pwedeng may na-receive ka dito na money or sabihin natin napalago mo yung business. Okay? Ngayon, this person wants to offer you or someone is offer you a higher commitment ngayon and this person know na anytime soon mawawala ka na sa kanya. Queen of Pentacles to guys. So, Queen of Pentacles is good in money. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Very abundant, very nurturing. Maalaga. Ideal wife. Ideal partner. A good mother. Huh? And this person is in a Four of Pentacles energy. Wants to own you. Wants to get you. Gusto kang bawiin. Gusto kang angkinin. Nine of Cups. Diba? I cannot. The Sun card, you are happy right now. Keeping tabs. This person also spying on you. And if this person ghosted you in the past, gagawin niya rin yun ulit. So, you have a decision to make. Okay? So, if resonated sa inyo yun, pwedeng ongoing na siya. Okay? Na pwedeng nakapag-decision ka na or hindi pa. Mangyayari pa lang to. Tignan nyo, oh. Competition. Nilagay ka sa competition. You need to release the past in order for you to meet your true twin flame. Okay? Yung true partnership and union. So, pile number 2, naka-move on na ba tong ex na to? Unfortunately, no. Kasi, this person is alam niyo kung ano yung nangyayari sa life mo eh. Pwedeng spying to o ni dummy account. And alam niya na na anytime soon wala nang second chances or wala nang no more chances na once na hindi ka pa niya pigilan or hindi pa siya mag-step up. Pero don't worry, you are protected. You are just being tested. So I hope dun sa mga hindi pa napagtatagumpayan to, mapagtagumpayan nyo to. Kasi kasunod nito once na malampasan nyo to, higher commitment, marriage, you're being happy, magiging happy ka dito sa susunod na union mo. Okay, sa next phase ng connection mo with someone else, which is your pwedeng twin flame, na may equal give and take, na may, alam mo yun, may abundant, may blessings na money. Okay, so pa number 2, I hope resonated sa inyo yung reading natin. So, maraming salamat sa mga pumili ng pile number 2. If hindi, resonated sa inyo, you are welcome to choose file number 1. And pasensya na rin kung naririnig din yung umuubo ako and sumisinga kasi hindi pa po ako magaling sa sipon. So, maraming salamat sa patuloy na sumusuporta kay Leluna. Na-appreciate ko po yan, yung inyong panonood ng ating video. And doon sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please do consider subscribing po sa channel natin. And nakagawa na rin po ako ng TikTok account, pero hindi ko pa po siya na aayos. Okay? Hindi pa ako natutulungan ng aking admin to fix yung aking TikTok para makapag-upload ng video doon. So, visit nyo yun, follow na kayo kasi kagagawa lang niya yung account. So, follow nyo na yung TikTok account ng Leluna para makapag-start na po tayo ng upload doon. Okay, so again, sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, you are free to check yung ating description box. Merong doong email kung saan kayo makakapag-send ng request kung paano magpa-personal reading. Okay, so wait lang kayo ng reply sa inyo ng admin. Okay, so please bear with us kung medyo mabagal yung pag-reply kasi medyo busy pa po kasi. Marami pa pong inaayos. So again guys, maraming salamat. So tomorrow, I will upload another reading. So abangan ninyo yung aking i-upload pa sa mga susunod na araw. Okay? So maraming salamat guys. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Have a nice day and sana okay lang kayo. Bye!